Welcome to Yinzer Picker. Hey guys, we have a fun-filled day ahead of us. First off, if this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if this is not your first time here, hey, thanks for coming back. We appreciate it. We have a fun-filled day ahead of us. We are going to hit a couple garage sales, yard sales, but we will see you guys at the first sale. Bye. What?
Saturday, April 17th.
You got your mask on?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I don't know if I like this. I don't think I like it.
Hey, did you think about the perfect?
Yeah. It's within a month. Something gather, it's work.
Take a look in here.
I would have to take off all the shelves on my tablet.
Oh, and then grapefruit.
What's this one cut? I forget. Is it a wedge like from Melon's?
Yes, just like a decorative type of.
That's right.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is an apple core?
Yeah.
Right.
Actually, these two. It's a pair of binoculars. You can hold it.
Yeah, I was gonna say. Let me think I have a dog in here.
Yeah. Well, thank you, Kathy. I'm going these are my collection.
Yeah, I'm glad you
Yeah, thank you.
Well, you want to meet?
Oh, let me,
Here, let's hold this. Hold this.
I would have
I have to go get the dog.
to
Oh,
set it
I
like
left her at home. I thought it was.
Okay, all
Okay,
right.
thank you. See ya.
Bye.
Bye, guys, thank you.
Yeah, well, we haven't started our walk yet. This was we said walk.
I told Ernie I bought these for John's at the end of
Yeah, he's still blind,
So good though. It's so good.
I'm ready to go. We were gonna open at 8, but you know, those people outside wait.
3 and 3. Thank you. Well, you don't have the best days for it, but.
I don't know, just, it's not raining.
It's not raining, you're right, you're right. Do you know, and I don't even know where they live in.
Yeah, we
All the
all,
way up?
Okay.
Oh, okay. I knew they lived on this street, but I wasn't sure where.
that's happened.
Can I set these somewhere real quick?
Do you have a little bag, please?
I do.
Or no?
Ernie, can you get that little bag right there? Here, this is me.
Thank you.
I'll set it right there.
Perfect.
Right here.
Okay, that works.
You know what, that's okay, I don't.
Grab those two.
Oh, thank you. Really?
I shared it on Facebook and then I had friends texting me. Everyone's like, you think they're gonna have polls? I said, oh, maybe you gotta go. Gotta find out. Polls.
Oh, yeah. He's gonna have some more. The guy was looking for, woodworking tools.
Oh, yeah. That's what moves happen.
One by six. I still have this one. Yeah, I see. I need to get some of those things. The outside of the.
Yeah.
Also like a cat carrier.
A what?
Cat carrier.
We don't have a cat though. Here, you can go put this.
You want this?
Yeah. We'll take it for the quarter. What?
$3.
Mm.
How are you?
You a collector?
No, those are neat though. How much are they? How much are the books?
I'll give you the whole thing for $5.
Just to get rid of it.
Just to get rid of it. Yeah, my.
Hold on, I might try all these. Hold on.
On that craft and hope.
Toss that in.
That's what I'm looking for.
Would you do 10 on the whole bin?
Calf.
That's fine.
I think that's probably a yes.
I figured I'd ask.
On the bin, $10 for the whole thing.
I think there's like 30 of them in there. I think that's about what I counted.
All the beanie babies, $10.
All the Beanie Babies, $10?
There's like 30 of them in there.
Yep.
Okay.
Where can I put them?
I got a pile going there. I think I'm done. I was debating on those the Lennox water glass though.
Here's a lid for that.
I don't like those.
They're nice and simple too.
What's that?
They're nice and simple too.
I know. We love Lennox stuff.
No, I'll tell you, I have others. I think there's a total of
There's 5 of each.
5 of each.
What are you asking for them?
Maybe $50.
You have the boxes on those? You have the boxes for the glasses?
No.
Okay. Hey guys, if you made it this far already, please hit that thumbs up down below and also leave a comment. It helps out the channel so much when you guys comment and hit that thumbs up. Now back to the footage.
Give me a minute and I could get them all out of this bar.
Okay.
I just wanted to make sure
Oh, no
that I
problem.
have what I'm saying I have.
Okay.
Because honestly, those are the china that we had to have when we got married. Look like over here, did you see it?
No. I will add that.
I don't know if you have that one.
Yes.
So they're packed up like this, and they're wrapped up in paper
Okay.
and stuff.
That's fine.
okay?
Yep, that'll work.
So I want you to make sure you're getting what I have. Okay, so these are the
Whatever one those. Is those the water ones?
water ones. Okay. These are champagne, I can feel them.
Yeah. I forgot. We should have room in the car.
You can put it right here.
Yeah, so hold on. So let me see what we got. Let me see how much this was. I said 10. So we have 50 plus 10 plus 5.
Is this your pile?
Yeah. Plus 10. No, so 50. Plus. That's not, oh, you just leave that there for a second. I don't want to stack too much on this. You know what? Here, go put these ones back. We actually already have 2 pound weights, don't we?
I think.
Yeah, we already do.
Where did you find it?
Straight in the back. They're right on the floor. That it?
Yeah.
Okay. I think it was a total of 87.
Okay. I put that Lennox bowl.
Okay, yeah, I noticed
in a-
that. I
in a
got.
box.
Is there? Can we do 80 for everything? Does that work? Thank you.
All right, thank
Appreciate
you.
it. I think that's everything. Did we look at everything? Now, as long as those don't break on the way home, we're good. Check it out. How are you?
Oh, before you go, let me get a cup of coffee.
No, wait, just wait.
Okay.
Where'd you go? Come on. Probably should have. You probably should have went up that way. Here, come here. Let's do this one first. Which one did you pick? Let me see that one. I was just curious about it. Which one did you get? Which bear did you pick? I don't.
Yeah, well, I'm trying to get a few here and there, you know. See, some of them are wearing and some aren't.
Yeah.
You
We
too.
don't need those. Here, come over here. Grab that gray dinosaur real quick. Grab that gray. Let's see that one. Yeah. Okay. Ready? Some books. Okay, come on. Let's see. How are you? Those are funny. What is it? That's a bank. We just got one too.
They run.
That's a big nose.
Yeah.
Can I get this from my baby?
No. Nice try. Okay. Come on.
Good morning.
That's pretty cool.
Don't get too close on the stuff dusty. Your white coat.
Yeah. We don't want you to get dirty.
Maybe not the best color to wear to a yard sale.
White.
Yeah.
Hey, it's washable.
Did you bring your Dalmatian?
No.
You do not, no.
You're the second person to ask about that.
Really?
Those must be a hot commodity right now.
Well, it's been for a while, but people were big, you know, they like them. Cook with. I like them. Cook with.
I'm a terrible cook, so I need all the non-stick help I can get.
Yeah.
How much are?
$1.
Okay, do that.
What is it?
It's a game.
That other one, the Kippy Canoe, is similar concept. It's slider open.
I've never heard of that one. Oh.
So there's a little stand in there, and like it sits at an angle, and then the ball starts at the top.
Yeah.
You know, you put the little ball here, and this
Just
little
work its way down.
Yeah, you get it to work its way down.
What are you asking for on both of those?
10 each, I guess.
Did you 15 for it all?
What do you think? Yeah.
Okay. You too. Watch the car. Stay on this side.